Hi, I'm Divya Surana. I'm 28 years old and I stand 5 feet 8 inches tall. I can speak in Hindi, English and Bangla. My profiles are. My work experience would include 4 ads in the digital space, and in theatre, I've been associated with Mad About Drama in Calcutta for 2 years, and right now I'm currently working as an actor with Rubaru Roshni. I've done close to 7 shows in 2 plays with them, and I also worked as a production manager with a group called Drama Tech, and we successfully did around 7 shows in Bombay. I'm also a trained musician, I'm a violinist, and I'm also a percussionist in a professional setup. I love reading poetry also. Thank you.
I'm not. I don't. I am not even sure just how it all happened. I just. 1 minute. See, there was this couple, I think they were in their 80s. He was a little deaf and she was nearly blind. I kept pointing at their seats, shining my flashlight. Obviously, he couldn't hear me and she couldn't see. And at the same time, the lights of the theatre were coming down, the curtain was about to go up. So she had no other option, right? So I just grabbed her and said, "Please come with me, dear." I took both of them right to their seats in the dark. Seats A, 9, 11. Yeah, first to mezzanine. Yes, middle of the row. So, and excuse me, I said to everyone already seated there. Imagine. So I just got her to her chair fine. The lights were out, the play began. So I just turned quickly and quietly. But then I didn't realize, I didn't know that he was standing there behind me. I think I just turned a bit fast because the next thing I knew was that I just had knocked him over. Yeah, yes, he fell right over the rails. I saw him fall, heard him yell. I also heard the woman below scream. Oh. The opening night of the Broadway, the first night at the job, and I couldn't even. I have never experienced such panic in my life, absolute panic in my life, and panic to the point that I just wanted to either disappear from there or die. Frozen panic. And then his blind wife suddenly just starts yelling, Elmer, where are you? What happened? And total commotion. The lights went out. The show stopped. Remember, this is the first opening night of the Broadway. And all the actors are on the stage, just staring. They had no clue what to do, like most of us there. So the curtains came down. I figured that the old man is dead. I figured that he might be dead, right? So I just leaned over the rails and looked. And below there, very much alive, was Elmer, still arguing with the woman whose lap he'd fallen in. And then out of the blue, he just points up directly at me. Oh. It seemed that everyone from the orchestra section below was just staring at me. Oh, I thought I'd die. Oh. I thought I'd die. And I waved from there. I waved, probably even smiled, might have mumbled something. I don't even remember, but yeah. And then the police came, the emergency medics, and I don't know God who all just came running in. Total pandemonium. I mean, like, in a gist, Elmer met his missus in the mezzanine, hugs and kisses. The woman he fell on was okay. The show went on. I know. My boss didn't fire me. You know. Oh, the manager understood. He said accidents do happen. So yeah. But the next thing I learn when I go to work the next night is that I have been reassigned the orchestra section below. Yeah, that's it. Okay.